Hello, Challenge Seminar. My name is John Butler, as you see right here, and I am doing my first interactive video. I am in Math 1000, so I chose to do the question in section 1.6, number 73. Basically, the question asks if in the equation of in the function of g of x, if the range of g of x is the domain of f of x, what does that mean of f of g? Or I'm sorry, f, make sure that's a big circle. F of g, which is the composite of that function. And so if you come up here, I have number 73. And basically, I'm going to start here. We have that composite little function right here. And that means that f of g, which means that whatever g is, f will follow. So f follows g. And here it's the same thing. Whatever the range of the function of g is, that dictates the domain of the f of this function. So that can be translated into the range of g equals the domain of f. And what does that mean if this is a one-to-one function? So I created three different domains and codomains with onto functions. So onto means that for every x value there is exactly one y value in which it corresponds in the range. And I did that also for when that happens. So when I put the g here, that means from x to y, a function of g happens. So for a, when a goes through g, you get 2. When b goes through g, you get 1. When c goes through g, you get 3. And when c goes through g, you get 4. And when d goes through g, you get 3. And that equals y. And then this y is this is the range of g. However, this is also the domain of f. So that means whatever g does, it dictates what f will do. So for example, when g is a, that means that f, the domain of f is 2, which means that when f is 2, that means it equals this symbol right here. So if you go through this, f of 1 is this symbol, f of 2 is this symbol, f of 3 is this symbol, and f of 4 is this symbol. When you do this, you see that in the end, if you have a one-to-one function that is composite to another one-to-one function, you end up getting another one. You get the composite is also one-to-one. So you can see this right here. Therefore, because both functions are one-to-one, then the composition of the function is also one-to-one. Therefore, in big letters, when f follows g, or when g dictates what f's domain is, a equals that symbol. So a, I'm going to go here. A goes to 2 and 2 goes to that. B goes to this one. So B goes to 1 and 1 goes to that. C goes to this one. So C goes to 4 and 4 goes to that symbol. And D goes to this crazy symbol right here. So D goes to 3 and 3 goes to that. So as you see, the composite of the function is also one-to-one and on 2. So that's what we can say, that if we're giving a one-to-one function of another one-to-one function, the composite of said function will also be one-to-one. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.